Hello and welcome to another video walk around. Today we're going to be taking a look at the all-new Toyota Sienna XLE hybrid. This is a 7-passenger van sitting on 17-inch wheels, and under the hood you'll find a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine. Some of the great exterior features you'll find on this vehicle are power sliding doors, a smart key, and a moonroof. Taking a look inside, you have your key fob here with your lock and unlock buttons. It is a smart key, so you can either lock the door by just placing your finger right there, or unlock it by just placing your hand inside the handle. Taking a look inside the driver door, you'll find your power mirrors and power window adjustments, as well as some extra storage. Taking a look at that gray leather interior, and beside the wheel you'll find your heated steering wheel button, as well as your power doors and your sunroof. Taking a look inside, where you'll find your dials to switch to your car's different menus, hands-free calling, as well as your volume adjustment buttons. This vehicle is equipped with your Toyota safety sense, so you do get your lane departure as well as your dynamic cruise control. Taking a look at our touchscreen, you do get your standard AM and FM audio as well as your Bluetooth audio, and you do get your projection for your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Down below you'll have your dual climate control settings, as well as your secondary climate control settings for your back seats. You do have your 3-level heated seats right here. 2 cup holders down here. You also get 2 little ones down here. And you do get your different drive modes as displayed on your dash. Taking a look in the back, these are power sliding doors. You can also place your foot right under there, and the door will open just like that. You do get some all-weather mats back here, as well as your gray leather interior. You can slide the seats by just pulling this lever right here, or fold them up by just pulling that lever there, which will expose your last row of seating. Getting into the trunk, you can either open the trunk by holding down the button on your key fob, or you can walk up, place your foot right under, and the trunk will open just like that. And it'll expose your last row of seating, some extra storage down there and on the side. And if you want to open up this cargo space a little more, you just pull on these levers right here. It'll fall down. Grab this one right here, and the seat will come down just like that. And it will expose a lot more of that cargo space. Taking a final look at the all-new Toyota Sienna, some of those great interior features included your heated seats and heated steering wheel, your backup camera, and as well as your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's still a lot I did not get to cover, so why don't you come down and take it out for a test drive. We're located off of 137 Ave in St. Albert Trail.